Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you how to replace the battery in key fob on Chrysler Pacifica. First you have to remove the key, then you insert the key inside here and you twist it, so the key is gonna pop up. Yeah, this way. Okay, that's my key. So yeah, and you've got the battery here. The battery is CR2032, and then you need you need probably the screwdriver, or okay, it comes out. Yeah, this way, and then you have to put the new battery inside and push it here. Yeah, after that you're taking the other and you press it together. It's working. Yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, it's not. Oh, okay, now it's fine. Yeah. Alright guys, if you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.